Guys, I'm showing you a lot of my beach routine stuff today. I'm about to go to the beach. I did put on lots and lots of sunblock, that's why my face looks shiny, and yeah, I'm about to hit the beach, so let's go. Hi guys, I didn't vlog when I got to the beach because I'm just in a little bit of a bad mood today, but yeah, my eyes, I don't know why I just spun around. My eyes keep watering. I have something in my eyes, I don't know what it is, but I put some of my mom's eye drops in my eyes and it didn't help that much. So yeah, I went on a little walk on the beach, got in the water a little bit. Now I'm gonna get something to eat probably. So yeah, let's go do that. So I'm gonna have some watermelon as a snack just because I already had a donut and some scrambled eggs, some coffee, and some water. So I just want some watermelon. I'm not very hungry. And I also am just trying to eat healthy food. I know like eating a donut is not healthy, I know that, but that was just like a treat, you know, vacation, you get treats and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm trying to eat really healthy, because I do want to lose weight, for those of you that might question that. No, yes, I do want to lose weight. I do want to lose weight. And right now I'm at a semi-healthy weight, but I do want to lose weight. And I also just want to get fit and like be in shape and that kind of thing, which I'm not right now, so. You guys, they literally caught a shark. This is so lit. Oh my god, this is insane. Hi guys, I currently just ate some lunch. I'm sitting in my bed doing some ice pack because I'm in a little bit of pain. My grandparents are over at our beach house and we are probably going to go out again to the beach soon in a little bit, so yeah. Hey guys, since I'm doing a kind of like throughout the day, get ready with me routine, what I eat in a day, like that kind of thing, I just want to let you guys know that for lunch I had a bunch of watermelon, some yogurt, and some Easy Mac, and now I'm having the linguinis, or however you say that. I don't know how you say that, but it's the real Italian ice. That's it. And then I'm having a lot of water, so. Hey guys, I'm coming in. I'm a little sunburned, but not too bad. I'm not going to do a whole lot the rest of the day, but I'll vlog a little bit of it. You probably won't see much of me for the rest of the day, but you'll see me later tonight. So yeah, let's go do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I love you all so much. You do you. Bye!